Today I'm going to show you how to set up a swimming pool with a filter and pump and a saltwater system so that you don't have to use chlorine or chemicals to keep your pool clean. We're going to start by laying down a tarp underneath the pool. Next we're going to lay out the pool so that it is flat. Make sure the inlets and the outlets are on the side that you want the pump. Now we're going to let it sit in the sun so it loosens up and lays flat. Fill up the ring with an air pump. And as you're filling it, make sure to move it around so it is centered. Before you fill it up with water, try to get rid of as many wrinkles on the bottom as you can. Now you're going to fill it up with water, making sure that you flatten out the wrinkles as you go. Next I'm going to get the inlet and the outlets ready. You're going to twist it on and make sure that the holes line up so that you can insert the screw to keep it from coming apart. You can put a screw on both sides. The inlet doesn't have any screw holes, so just twist that one tight. Pool and filter pump come with 4 hoses, one that's longer and 3 that are the same length. Take the 3 that are the same length and attach it to the T. Each time make sure the black rubber ring is in the right spot. And twist the fasteners until they are tight. Again, these are for the 2 outlets where the water flows out of the pool. Put it through the outlet, then tighten the fastener. Okay. So now that we've got these 2 sides of the T connected, we're going to put the other side on the top of the filter pump. With the saltwater system, there should be 2 adapters. One that's going to attach to the filter pump, and the other that's going to attach to the hose that goes back to the pool. So the large hose is going to go from the filter pump to the salt system. I'll attach the inlet to the other side. The other adapter goes on this side. And the exit is going to have the adapter to the small hose. So the water will flow out of the pool into the filter pump, then out of the filter pump into the larger hose with the adapter, into the salt system, and then out of the salt system with the other adapter to the small hose, back to the pool. Next we're going to add salt to the pool. For a 16-foot pool we're going to add 90 pounds of salt. And you're not supposed to swim in it for 24 hours, so I'm going to wear some boots while we mix it up. And we're also going to mix it up when it's shallow. It's a lot easier to stir into the water rather than waiting until the pool is full. Now we're going to mix it up. As the pool is filling up, you can unscrew this to let out the air so that there's not air inside the hoses. When the pool level is high enough, you can plug in the filter pump first. Make sure to keep the cords away from the water. Plug in the saltwater system next. And that's usually going to have an on and off switch. After you've let it run for about 24 hours, turn off the filter pump and the saltwater system. And now you should be ready to go swimming.
Yes!
And make sure to subscribe and watch more Minnesota cold and how-to videos of ours. I don't think it's